Good morning, everyone. Today, our topic is types of cells and cell organelles. We will be discussing about types of cells and cell organelles. There are two types of cells. They are prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells, they lack nucleus, and eukaryotic cells have nucleus. Now, what are some of the characteristics of prokaryotic cells? Prokaryotic cells are the most primitive and simple type of cells. They do not have nucleus. The genetic material is found in a region called the nuclei, not enclosed by a nuclear envelope. They do not have any membrane-bound organelles. They lack structures like mitochondria or lysosomes. Generally, the cell wall is present and made up of peptidoglycan. Some of the prokaryotic cells are bacteria and archaea. You know, prokaryotic, how will you remember prokaryotic cells? Pro means before nucleus. That means no nucleus. Pro, primitive. Eukaryotic, U means true. That is true nucleus. Now, prokaryotic cells, they are generally of 0.5 to 5 micrometer in size. And some of the examples I have already given: bacteria, archaea, etc. Now, eukaryotic cells are the cells which are advanced and complex cells that constitute multicellular organisms and some single cell organisms also. Nucleus is present in this type of cells, and DNA is enclosed within a distinct membrane-bound organelle. Organelles present contain membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast in plants, and endoplasmic reticulum. Animal cells, plant cells, fungi, and protists, these all come under eukaryotic cells. Now, what are cell organelles? Coming straight to the topic, cell organelles. Cell organelles are specialized subcellular structures within cells that act like organs, performing specific vital functions such as producing energy, synthesizing proteins, or managing waste to keep the cell alive and functioning. सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स को हम लोग सिंपली भी जान सकते हैं कि जो भी एक सेल के अंदर जो भी छोटे छोटे ऑर्गेनेलीज रहते हैं, जो छोटे छोटे ऑर्गन्स रहते हैं, जो पूरे सेल को कंट्रोल करते हैं, पूरे सेल को मैनेज करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं सेल ऑर्गेनेलीज. अब जैसे एक बॉडी में कितने सारे ऑर्गन्स रहते हैं, किडनी है, लिवर है, तो वो सब एक साथ मिलके काम करते हैं तब एक ऑर्गेनिज्म सक्सेसफुली लिव करता है. इन द सेम वे सेल ऑर्गेनेलीज के अंदर बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे ऑर्गन्स रहते हैं, जैसे माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया हुआ, सेंट्रियोल्स, गोल्गी एपरेटस, वैक्यूल, साइटोप्लाज्म, सेल मेम्ब्रेन, राइबोसोम, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, न्यूक्लियस, न्यूक्लियोलस, ये सब छोटे छोटे ऑर्गन्स के तरह रहते हैं जो उसको पूरा सेल को सक्सेसफुली वर्क, रन, लिव करने के लिए हेल्प करते हैं. तो इन सब को बोलते हैं सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स. नाउ cell membrane and cytoplasm are the fundamental structural component of a cell. वो बेसिक कंपोनेंट होता है सेल को, उसको हम लोग कभी सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स में जनरली नहीं गिनते हैं. सो व्हाट इज सेल मेम्ब्रेन? The cell membrane is a semi-permeable biological membrane that separates and protects the interior of a cell from the outside of the environment. And what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is all the material within a eukaryotic or prokaryotic cell enclosed by the cell membrane, including the organelles and excluding the nucleus in eukaryotic cells. इसको अच्छे से समझना पड़ेगा. सेल मेम्ब्रेन क्या है? वो सेमी परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन है जो क्या करता है, आउटसाइड एनवायरनमेंट को इनसाइड एनवायरनमेंट एक सेल का को सेपरेट करता है, एक बाउंड्री बनाता है। लेकिन वो बाउंड्री क्या है, सेमी परमिएबल। सेमी परमिएबल मीन्स विच अलाउज some materials to enter and exit while it doesn't allow all the materials to enter and exit. And what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm क्या है, सारे materials, सेल ऑर्गेनेलीज, साइटो जो सारे सेल ऑर्गेनेलीज है, सिर्फ हटा दीजिए न्यूक्लियस को हटा करके जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर है उसको बोलते हैं साइटोप्लाज्म। आई होप इट इज वेरी क्लियर। नाउ we will come one by one to the different explanation of different cell organelles. अगर आपको कभी भी किसी भी जगह पे अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है तो प्लीज कमेंट। If you are finding any problem in understanding any part of any video, then you please comment in the comment box. Now, coming to the most important cell organelle, that is the nucleus. As you can see in the picture, nucleus controlling center. It contains the genetic material. It manages the cell growth, metabolism, reproduction. So nucleus is the brain of the cell. As our brain in our body controls and coordinates all the activities of the body, in the same way, nucleus controls everything inside the cell. It contains nucleolus inside. You can see the nucleoplasm also, nuclear envelope also. The envelope which encloses the nucleoplasm is the nuclear envelope. So it is also known as the brain of the cell. Another important organelle is the mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Why? Because these organelles generate energy. Energy, like energy, it is in the form of ATP. What is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. How it is produced? Via cellular respiration. Next is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is in short also known as ER, a network responsible for protein modification and lipid synthesis. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, where ribosomes are not present on the outer surface, but rough endoplasmic reticulum, where ribosomes are present on the outer side. Ribosomes, as you can see in the slide, ribosomes are responsible for protein synthesis. They act as protein factories for the cell. Protein is an important component because the genetic material, DNA, everything is made up of protein. So protein is very important. So how it is synthesized? It is synthesized in the ribosomes. That is why ribosomes are known as protein factories. Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. It modifies, sorts and packages proteins and lipids for secretion or delivery to the other organelles. Golgi apparatus is also very important. Lysosomes. They are also known as suicidal bags. Why they are known as suicidal bags? They themselves absorb or digest the unwanted organelles or things which are present in the cell. They clean up the cell. They digest the materials, waste materials, foreign bodies through the special type of enzymes, hydrolytic enzymes present inside them. लाइसोसोम्स को सुसाइडल बैग्स भी बोला जाता है क्योंकि उसमें एक ऐसा एंजाइम होता है जिसको बोलते हैं हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम, जो फॉरेन बॉडी और वेस्ट मटेरियल्स को डाइजेस्ट कर लेता है. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are the storage organelles that maintain water balance and store nutrients or waste products. You can see the picture. Tonoplast. Tonoplast is the outer covering of the vacuole. and vacuole are more prominent. You can see vacuole are more prominent in the plant cell. In the next video, I will be discussing about plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell and animal cell both are different. I will be teaching you about plant cell and animal cell. Okay. Now coming to the plastids. Plastids are not present in animal cell. They are present in plant cell only. Plastids are of three types: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplast are the green plastids. What are the function? It is the main function of chloroplast is photosynthesis. It contains green pigment called chlorophyll, which traps the sunlight and converts carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. So in short, you can say that chloroplast make food for the plant. तो प्लास्टिड क्या है? प्लास्टिड है जो प्लांट्स में ही प्रेजेंट रहता है, वो एनिमल सेल में नहीं रहता है. इसका तीन तरह का प्लास्टिड होता है: क्लोरोप्लास्ट, क्रोमोप्लास्ट और ल्यूकोप्लास्ट. क्लोरोप्लास्ट ग्रीन कलर का होता है, उसका काम है फोटोसिंथेसिस करना. Chromoplast. Chromoplast are the colored plastids. What are the function? They synthesizes and stores pigments like carotenoids, red, yellow, orange color. They give color to the fruits and flowers. They help in attracting pollinators and seed dispersers. In short, chromoplast give color to the plant parts. क्रोमोप्लास्ट क्या होता है? ये कलर देता है फ्रूट्स को, फ्लावर्स को कलर देता है क्रोमोप्लास्ट. ल्यूकोप्लास्ट आर कलरलेस plastids. They stores food materials. There are three types of leucoplast: amyloplast, elioplast, alluroplast. Amyloplast क्या है? They store starch. Elioplast stores oils and fats. Alluroplast stores protein. In short, leucoplast store food in plants. So plastids, different type of plastids and their function, I will be giving this information in the form of shorts in my channel. So you will follow my shorts. There are many important things are coming in shorts, and in the description you will find the note of the video. So please follow the description. प्लास्टिड्स या छोटे छोटे शॉर्ट्स जो मेरे वीडियो चैनल में आएंगे, आप लोग वो फॉलो कीजिए, क्योंकि उसमें जो हम वीडियो में कुछ चीज़ें छूट जाती है वो मैं शॉर्ट्स में देती हूँ. और इसका जो वीडियो का नोट्स जो है आप कमेंट में देख सकते हैं लिंक के थ्रू. सो आई होप you have liked the explanation of the topic cell, organelles and types of cells. इसके बाद I will be teaching you difference between plant cell and animal cell. So stay tuned, and many more things are also coming. Some questionnaires, and you follow the community post also, because I will be giving some polls over there. So every day watch for 2-3 hours, 2-3 minutes. You will be getting clear about the topic and the content. So in this week we will be going through this chapter only. I hope you have liked the explanation. So please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you. Best of luck.